Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making monkey muffins. These are an awesome muffin recipe that's going to be a banana base and they're going to be loaded with coconuts and chocolate chips. They're really easy to make, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, a half a cup of sugar, 3/4 of a tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg, half a cup of oil, 1 banana, 3/4 cup of coconut, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. We're going to start by combining all of our dry ingredients. Both of our flours, our sugar, our baking powder, and our salt. And we're going to whisk this till it's thoroughly combined. Now in a separate bowl, or with a hand mixer or with a stand mixer, we're going to mix together our eggs, our milk, our vanilla, and our oil over medium-high speed for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Then in with our mashed banana, and we're going to put this back on the mixer for about another minute. Now before we add in our dry ingredients, we're going to want to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. And we're going to add in our dry ingredients a little bit at a time and get that thoroughly mixed in. That's the consistency we are looking for with our batter. Now we're going to fold in half of our chocolate chips and reserve the other half for on top of the muffins. Now with our muffin tins lined, we're going to scoop in some of our batter. We're going to fill it up about halfway. Once they're filled, we're going to top them with a little bit more chocolate chips and our shaved coconut. We're going to place these in our oven for about 20 minutes. Our muffins are done. They're looking fantastic. We're going to pull them out of our muffin pan and we're going to place them on a wire rack to let them cool for about 10 minutes. Now before we dig in, let's cut one of these in half. Get a nice cross section so I can show you. Wow, look at that. It smells like bananas. It's a great smell. It's loaded with chocolate chips. Got the nice toasted coconut on top. Let's get a bite. That's good. It's nice and light and fluffy. It's got an amazing banana flavor. This would make a good muffin for breakfast. It wouldn't be that healthy with the chocolate chips and all that sugar, but it's still good. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I have an outdoor channel as well. I'll drop a link for that in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.